Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers how to turn on and off email notifications in Google Classroom. Let's begin. In the Google Classroom, towards the left top, you will find Main menu. Click on the Main menu, scroll down, click on Settings option. Into Settings option, you will find Profile. First will be Profile. Down is Notifications. You get email notification of different activity of student. For example, late submissions of work, resubmission, and other things. Sometimes you get too much of email notifications into the inbox. To turn off these notifications, here is the solution. You can turn on and off email notification options. Number one is receive email notifications. You can turn on and off this option. Next down is comments option. So comments on different things, like number one is comments on your post. You can enable and disable this. You can turn on and off option by clicking on it. Then next is comments that mention you, and third is private comments on work. Below is classes you teach. This is for teachers. First option is late submissions of student work. You can enable and disable this. Second is resubmissions of student work. Third is invitations to co-teacher classes, and fourth is scheduled, post-published, or failed. So in these options you can enable and disable them. And the last option here given is very useful option, that is class notifications. Click on this arrow, you will see all your classes. So teachers can see all their classes here. So this all classes are there in my Google Classroom. If you want to turn email and mobile notifications on or off for a class, you can directly enable and disable from here. For example, I want to turn off email notification for this class. Click on this. So in this way, the email notification gets turned off, and to on it, click on it. So this was for teachers. For students also some options are available. So if you are a student and you also want to turn on and off email notifications as you find too much of notifications in the classroom. So in the settings option, you will find classes you are enrolled in. So from here you can enable and disable all the options. Number one is work and other posts from teachers. Number two is returned work and grades from your teachers. Number three, invitations to join classes. And number four is due date reminders for your work. So from here, students can enable and disable email notifications. Hope this video will help you with email notifications in Google Classroom. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.